Just goes to show na ulang forever. That's the reality sa serbisyo, no? Anytime you can be relieved. So, you have to be ready. You have to be ready.
Pero sir,
Now, may mga haka-haka lang pero I don't want to speculate further. Bahala na kung sila na, ang Malacanang na dapat ang magbigay ng paliwanag. Bakit? So, hintay na lang natin. Actually, sanay na ang PNP dyan sa mga mabilis na turnover ng liderado. Sanay na ang PNP dyan. As PNP as an organization is very flexible. It can adjust, it can adapt to all the mga unexpected na mga pangyayari. During my time, I am going to share with you the relationship was between the chief PNP and the president. Whatever the president orders, I follow it. So, wala ko nakikitang I don't know about abuso. Hindi ako masyado alam yung abuso na sabi. Matino. Masahan nyo. He is an officer and a gentleman. He is the last of the Mohicans. The last of the Mohicans. Class 92. The power to appoint and designate officers to different positions lies with the chief PNP. As far as I know.
pero hindi nyo ginawa yun, sir, ng time niya.
Ginawa ko yan.
Ang ginawa nyo rin.
Ginawa ko yun. But of course with the clearance from Malacanang.
Okay.
Oo.